I'm Ian Simpkins. I'm Deputy Director for Horticulture and Urban Agriculture at Vizcaya, and my responsibility is for the care and upkeep of the gardens and grounds. So this is an area that is near and dear to me and something that I have direct responsibility for.
My name is Michael Antonelli. I'm the co-founder and principal at Vizcaya. We're a civil and coastal engineering company focused on resilience and sea level rise issues here in South Florida and beyond.
I'm Cheryl Whitmer. I'm with U.S. Flood Control. We manufacture and distribute and train on the Tiger Dam system.
The impetus for us to begin looking at flood control solutions was Hurricane Irma in 2017. We had a pretty significant storm surge come into the property, and it completely flooded the main gardens with 3, 4, 5 feet of salt water and debris. That was the first time it had happened in any of our memories, and certainly the first time it had happened since at least Hurricane Andrew. We were greatly concerned by this, and especially with climate change influencing the strength of storms, sea level rise, and so on, it became really apparent to us that we really needed to get on this as soon as possible and find a solution that was going to protect the gardens and protect the cafe and shop and historic swimming pool.
The project was designed as a response to Hurricane Irma, which caused some flooding of the cafe and gift shop at the main house, causing disruption to the site overall, causing significant damage, disrupting just the overall revenue stream for the museum. So we're happy to be able to help them to remedy some of those situations.
Tiger Dam is amazing for a situation like this because it's going to conform to the surface. It's going to be able to move around, bend, turn, and if they decide to change the garden in any way, the same system is going to be utilized and it's just going to weave in its new path.
We're here today at Vizcaya for our first full deployment of the Tiger Dam flood control solution.
What's happening behind me, this is the southern garden. Right now they're deploying a system of Tiger Dams that's going to help to prevent flooding within the largest portion of the gardens. Basically what they're doing is they're deploying systems that are 2 Tiger Dam barriers on the base and 1 Tiger Dam up high in a triangle pyramid kind of shape. The Tiger Dam is held by a series of helical anchors and post-installed concrete anchors that get screwed down so the system actually stays in place when floodwaters come up against it. There are 4 areas around Vizcaya where Tiger Dams are being installed using different techniques designed to prevent flooding in a storm surge scenario for a Category 1 storm.
Working with your team of engineers gave us a lot more flexibility to do things, and you made it perfectly appropriate for the job site.
We're excited about today because we are one of the first, if not the first, institutions to utilize this system for storm surge blockage and protection.
We're excited to be the first engineering company to focus on storm surge resilience using the Tiger Dam. It's an area that's sorely needed in coastal communities around the United States. There's all kinds of products out there that haven't been used or tested in certain ways, and we're just excited that we were able to be a part of the team to develop a strategy for how to implement it, how to test it, and prove that it can be done and used in different areas all over the country.